Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2004 Chevy Truck Colorado, 5-cylinder, 3.5. So in this case we have the SRS light on. All right, it's from the airbag systems. So this is our code that we have, B0065 and 66, and the description is left front seatbelt, backup pretensioner, deployment lab open, left front seatbelt, backup pretensioner, deployment lab, voltage out of range. Okay, so look at this. This is a lot of information that we have from all data, but the most important thing, when you have a code with the airbag system or ABS or check engine light, guys, the first step that you need to do is go to check the TSBs. Okay, the TSB is a technical service bulletin. All right, at this case, look, the bulletin number is right here. You can find in all data, and this is our codes that we have: inspect and repair wiring connectors. Look at this. The most important part on this service bulletin is right here. There you go, my friends. Right here. Do not replace the front seatbelt, retractors, and pretensioner. Okay, just do this right here. Do this. Inspect the front seatbelt, retractor, or pretensioner connectors from proper connection prior to replacing SIR components. All right, so at this case, we have the issue already found it. Okay, so look at this. The other description is wiring and connector, occupant safety, repair or replace. All right, and this is our trouble codes, B0065, and the description. And right here is the most important part, guys. So conditions for setting the DTC. Okay, look, the DTC 65 set one, the following conditions occurs: the seatbelt pretensioner LF high circuit is less than 2.4 volts. Okay, so I already found the issue, guys. Okay, so look at this. Pay a lot of attention right here, because right here is the seatbelt. Okay, look, this is the seatbelt, and the pretensioner is right here. Okay, in the middle from the back door. Okay, but look, guys, this is the issue. Okay, so just remember, the first step that you need to do is go to check the TSB. Okay, because it's the most important part. It's easy to find the TSBs. Okay, and then for my experience that we have with this kind of doors, okay, so we're going to check the cables, these particular cables, and look at this. We found the cables right here. Okay, it's broken. Look, this connector is the most important, because it's from the seatbelt pretensioner. Okay, this is the fail, guys. So this is the issue. We need to repair the cables with the with the solder, okay, soldering the cables, okay. So okay, so this is the first part of the video, okay, just to find the issue, the diagnostics, okay. So thank you guys for watching this kind of video. So remember, if you have the B0065 or B0066, check these cables, okay. It's in the rear door, okay. This is the extended cab, okay, Chevy Colorado. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. We're going to make the second part, okay. Thank you so much.